Hello students, I am Dr. Ronika Sharma, Associate Professor and Head UG Department, MIR College of Education, which is an autonomous college situated in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, and it is NAAC accredited with A+ grade. I am happy to share with you all that I will be the facilitator of a blended learning online course titled Teaching, Learning and Assessment. The course is having 4 modules and it will be running in blended online learning mode. There will be 4 modules as I said. The module 1 is all about human learning and intelligence. Under module 2, I will be sharing with you about learning process and motivation. In module 3, we are having teaching learning process, and in module 4, we are going to overview the assessment and different pedagogical key concepts in the school system. There are n number of learning objectives which are very much related to this very online course. After completing this course, you all are expected to explain the theories of learning and intelligence and their application for teaching children with special needs. You are also able to interpret the learning process, nature and theory of motivation. You will also able to reflect upon the stages of teaching and learning and what is the role of teacher. We are going to give you an experience that you are able to situate yourself in the teaching learning process, and we are able to explain the scope and role of assessment in teaching learning process. Not only this, after completing this course, you will be able to develop a dynamic assessment scheme for educational setup towards enhanced learner and learning situations. Dear students, not only this, we are going to engage you in different learning activities. We are going to have polls, we are going to organize quizzes. Yes, we will go with social learning, collaborative learning, active learning, and at the end, we are going to give you tests and assignments. Yes, at the last, we are going to have evaluation, and we will be evaluating your progress both through formative and summative assessments. Under formative, you will have variety of techniques. We do have short answers, multiple choice questions, quizzes. Not only this, we are going to have forums, discussion forums. We are going to review your progress and we are going to give you feedback. And yes, at the last, we are going to conduct your summative assessment too in the form of your sessional works, assignments, and projects. With these words, thank you so much, and I hope and believe you are going to have a happy learning. Thank you once again.